how to build an airsoft claymore mine. First thing you're gonna need is a rat trap and duct tape. First you need to tape the duct tape around the rat trap, like this. Now you're gonna need 4 big nails and a drill. Drill 4 holes in the rat trap. Take your 4 nails and a hammer and put 1 nail in each hole. Now you need a cord like this, but you also can use cables. Drill 2 more holes in the end of the rat trap. Now take a needle and make a bend at the end of the rat trap. Now engrave through the duct tape and repeat this 5 to 8 times. Ready, but you first need to install the tripwire before you can use it. Now you see the mine does not close totally, so the BBs fly over a bigger distance.